Hello everybody, I'm Tin. I'm from Choten Real Estate Company located in Ikebukuro City in Tokyo. Today I would like to review you an apartment near Miyaziro Station. It's about 8 minutes from here to the Miyaziro Station on Yamato Line. It's very convenient for you to move everywhere in Tokyo. This room is the size is about 22 square meter. It's 1K type. The rent is 87,000 yen. The maintenance includes maintenance fee. And now I will show you the apartment. Here is the bathroom. And we will have a toilet separated, and here is the closet and the space for washing machine, kitchen space. We have the air conditioner and balcony. We have closet here for you to put the clothes, a suitcase here. If you want more information about this room, please contact us for more information. So here is the process, and we will have a door here to separate the kitchen and the room. This balcony will have space the hanger for the clothes here. And if you want more information, please contact us for information about this room or another room around Tokyo, and we will support you. Thank you for the watching. See you next review.